Concentration. 1. Did you stay focused in class when you were a child? As a child, I generally tried to stay focused in class, but I must admit that it wasn't always easy, especially if the subject didn't captivate my interest. 2. Are you a focused person? Yes, I consider myself a focused person. I try to stay attentive and dedicated to the task at hand, whether it's work, studying, or any other activity. 3. How do you stay focused? I stay focused by creating a quiet and organized environment, setting clear goals, and prioritizing tasks. Taking short breaks also helps me maintain focus and avoid burnout. 4. Is it easy to stay focused in a noisy environment? Staying focused in a noisy environment can be challenging for me. I find it helpful to use noise-canceling headphones or find a quieter space to concentrate better.